What's up everybody? Have you seen the new installation video yet? We added a new amplifier and a Pioneer DSP to my Toyota Corolla, so now it's actually bumping when I pick your mother up for dinner. Sorry it took so long to get that video up and finished. It took a lot longer than we thought it would, but the installation came out great and everything sounds amazing inside the car. Go check it out if you haven't watched it yet. Super in-depth. We put all the products, tools, gear used in that video bio too, so you can check out the products for yourself. We have a bunch of videos on the back burner we've been holding out on, so we have a ton of content coming out for you soon, so stay tuned. Let's do some top comments. It's been a while. First up, we got the Fish in Game Whisperer. Your stuff is way overpriced. $600 for this head unit, and I can get it brand new on Amazon for $470. Listen, bud, we're a retailer, which means we have a set price that the manufacturer sets for us to sell products at. Plus, we have to make a profit. We're not just gonna send stuff for free and not make any money off anything. This isn't a charity. And where have you been in the 21st century? Have you noticed that Amazon is running like 80% of retailers out of business? No one can compete with Amazon. Dude, right now you could buy a left-handed set of golf clubs, new furniture for your living room, a baby, and even some groceries for like $35 on Amazon. Peter Richmond, what is the best way to waterproof the XAV AX5000? You're waterproofing a car stereo. Saran wrap? Try not turning it on near water. On our car stereo wiring harness video, John Wayne, just need diagram, misspelled. You know, John, I know it's a lot of work to actually watch the video and find the diagram, you know, halfway through the video, which we put the diagram up for like 30 seconds. I have a URL, but instead of sending it to you, I'm just gonna send it to your mother. On the same video, Master Roosman, your crimper sucks and you don't apply enough force when crimping. Sorry, bud, we'll get Thanos to crimp our goddamn wires. How much pressure do you want us to apply? It's like 18 gauge wire. My cat could crimp those wires. My great aunt could crimp those wires, and she's got rheumatoid arthritis. On our Pioneer AVH 500EX and 600EX video, Taylor Warren wrote, you still didn't tell me if it's got 2.5 volts or 4 volt pre-outs for either model. You know, Taylor, I'd really appreciate it that if you were gonna call us out publicly about something in one of our videos, you actually watch the whole video. If it's possible that during that huge that you're taking from the burritos last night, you make it to the 3-minute and 40-second mark, you'll find that we said it was 4 volt preamp outputs. Say hello to your mother for me. On our new install video, Deeg 4N. I use dish soap to get in those firewall boots. I call it Slippy Juice. That's kind of funny you say that. Your mother has the same name, Slippy Juice, for something that I make. Must run in the family. On our LG AI ThinQ TVs, Gabe wrote, TV feels fragile as paper thin. What are you, laying drywall with it? It's a TV, just mount it on the wall and you're good to go. What TV isn't fragile? On our Kicker L7 subwoofer video, Frisch Shizzle, I regularly get a thumbs up from strangers with my L7. You know, I thought I heard like last year or the year before that Craigslist took away all of their sexual personals, but I guess not. That's it for top comments, guys. I hope you enjoyed the long weekend and you're having a great start to your week. Check out that new installation video if you haven't gone around to it yet. Go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car, audio, and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the bio. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave your comments below, join the conversation. And thanks for watching. Say hello to your mother for me.